Hello dear viewers. Welcome back to Decor, the channel where we celebrate the beauty of wood, creativity, and sustainable design. If you're new here, make yourself at home, because today we are diving into a truly inspiring DIY project that proves how nature's raw beauty can be transformed into something timeless and functional. Our focus is on turning an old tree trunk into a stunning upcycled table. Yes, that weathered trunk that might otherwise be forgotten in the backyard, or left to decay in the corner of a garden, holds the potential to become the centerpiece of your home. Rustic yet elegant, functional yet artistic, this project is not just about furniture, it's about giving new life to something nature once gave us. Think about it, every tree has a story. Its growth rings quietly tell the tale of years, seasons, and the environment it endured. By using an old tree trunk as the heart of a new table, you're not just making furniture, you're carrying forward a story, preserving a natural memory, and blending it into the rhythm of your everyday life. That's the magic of upcycling wood. And in a world where sustainability matters more than ever, creating a rustic DIY table from a tree trunk is one of the most beautiful ways to combine eco-friendly living with interior style. Before we dive deep into the creative process, let's take a moment to imagine how a tree trunk table can fit into your space. Picture it as a rustic coffee table in your living room, exuding warmth and grounding energy, or as a small side table next to your favorite reading chair, where you rest your book and cup of coffee. It could even become an outdoor accent piece, a sturdy little companion on your porch or patio. Each table is as unique as the trunk it came from, no two will ever look the same. That's why this project feels so personal and special. Now let's talk about the steps. The process of turning a tree trunk into a table is simple in concept, but what makes it beautiful is the attention to detail and the respect we give the material. The first step is sourcing your trunk. Perhaps you have an old fallen tree in your yard, or maybe you've saved a trunk from firewood that felt too striking to burn. The key is to choose one that's sturdy, solid, and free from rot. Even cracks and imperfections can add character, giving the final piece that wabi-sabi charm of embracing imperfection. Once you've chosen the trunk, the preparation begins. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for everything that follows. Start by removing any bark that feels loose or flaky. Some people prefer to leave patches of bark on for that rugged natural look, while others strip it all off for a smoother finish. Both approaches are beautiful, it's all about the style you want to achieve. Then comes cleaning and sanding. Sanding is where the raw beauty of the wood really comes to life. As you smooth the surface, the grain begins to reveal itself like an intricate painting hidden beneath the rough exterior. At Decor, we always encourage embracing the grain, it's nature's fingerprint, a one-of-a-kind artwork. Now, at this point in the video, let's pause for a quick reminder. If you're enjoying this idea, and love exploring creative ways to bring nature into your home, make sure to subscribe to Decor. We upload daily videos filled with inspiration, from rustic wood projects to modern eco-friendly designs. Hit that bell icon, so you never miss a spark of creativity. With the sanding done, the next step is leveling the trunk. Tables need balance and stability, so ensuring the top and bottom are flat is essential. You can do this with a saw or a planer. Once leveled, the trunk transforms from a rough log into the beginnings of a sleek, stylish surface. This is also the stage where you can decide on size. Maybe you want a chunky coffee table, or a smaller accent piece. Flexibility is one of the joys of working with raw materials. After shaping and leveling, sealing becomes the focus. Wood is alive, even after it's been cut, and sealing helps protect it while enhancing its natural tones. Oils, varnishes, and eco-friendly sealants all work wonders here. Imagine the way a coat of oil deepens the grain, turning faint lines into dramatic swirls of color. The finish you choose determines the personality of the table, matte for a rustic, earthy look, or glossy for a more modern, polished style. Once the surface is finished, the final creative decision is whether you want to add legs or leave the trunk as a standalone base. Some people love the raw simplicity of a stump table, letting the trunk's natural form shine. Others attach metal, hairpin, or wooden legs to give height and contrast. A tree trunk with sleek black steel legs, for example, creates a striking balance between industrial and organic. On the other hand, leaving it whole keeps it grounded and deeply rustic. Both options bring out different facets of charm. And here's where creativity truly opens up. Beyond a simple table, you can explore variations. Carve out the inside of the trunk to create storage, add a glass top for a contemporary touch, or join multiple trunks together for a larger surface. Some designers even embed resin into cracks, turning imperfections into glowing rivers of color. The possibilities are endless, and every choice makes your piece more personal. But this project isn't only about design, it's about meaning. By creating an upcycled tree trunk table, you're engaging in a practice that's both sustainable and symbolic. Instead of buying mass-produced furniture, you're saving a piece of nature and giving it new purpose. Each time you place a cup on it, or gather with friends around it, you're reminded of the story it carries. And when guests see it in your home, they don't just see a table, they see character, authenticity, and a reflection of your creativity. Let's pause again here for a friendly reminder. If you're finding value in this project, don't forget to support Cookie Decor by subscribing. Every subscription helps us continue sharing unique ideas and eco-friendly inspiration with you daily. And if you like what you're hearing so far, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps spread the creativity to others who might love it too. Now, let's think about where such a table can live in your home. In a minimalist apartment, it can add warmth and texture to a clean, modern layout. In a farmhouse-style living room, it feels right at home beside soft fabrics and rustic beams. Outdoors, it becomes a natural extension of the environment, blending seamlessly into the patio or garden. This is what makes tree trunk tables timeless. They are versatile, adaptable, and they carry a natural energy that fits any lifestyle. Styling your finished table is another joy. A simple vase of flowers can highlight its earthy tones. A stack of books can turn it into a cozy reading nook companion. Or leave it bare, letting the grain and form take center stage as a sculpture in itself. However you style it, the table becomes more than just furniture. It becomes an expression of who you are and what you value. Another important aspect of this project is connection. Working with wood, sanding it, feeling the grain beneath your fingertips, it's a meditative process. It reconnects you with nature in a way that store-bought furniture never could. Every step in the making is tactile, grounding, and deeply rewarding. When you finally step back and admire the finished piece, the satisfaction is immense. You didn't just buy furniture, you created it, with your own vision and hands. This is why at Cookie Decor, we love showcasing ideas like this, because in every trunk, in every branch, in every piece of reclaimed wood, there's hidden potential. With a little creativity and care, you can reveal that potential and create something beautiful, functional, and sustainable. So, whether you're an experienced woodworker, or just someone who loves DIY projects, turning an old tree trunk into a table is one of the most accessible yet impactful projects you can try. It doesn't require advanced skills, just patience, vision, and a willingness to embrace the natural beauty of wood. And here's a tip: don't worry about perfection. Cracks, uneven textures, and knots are not flaws, they are features. They are what make your table unique. Just like people, wood carries its own history, scars, and beauty. By celebrating these details, you end up with something no factory could ever produce. As we come to the end of today's video, let's reflect on what this project really means. It's not just about furniture, it's about sustainability, storytelling, and creativity. You're giving a forgotten trunk a second life, reducing waste, and creating something that brings warmth and joy into your home. That's the power of upcycling, and that's why we at Cookie Decor are passionate about sharing projects like this with you. If you enjoyed this video and feel inspired to try your own tree trunk table, we'd love to hear from you in the comments. Share your ideas, your projects, or even just your thoughts on how nature can influence design. And don't forget, subscribe to Cookie Decor for daily inspiration. Every day, we bring you new ways to make your home stylish, sustainable, and full of natural charm. Thank you so much for watching, for supporting the channel, and for embracing the beauty of rustic DIY furniture with us. Until next time, keep creating, keep imagining, and remember, sometimes the most stunning decor starts with the simplest piece of wood. See you in the next video.